Hey guys, welcome back. In this lecture, we will design a shear wall with the help of Indian Standard Code IS 456. For that, I am creating a new building structure, space frame, provide a name, location, length unit meter and force unit kilonewton. Next and finish. Just go to the geometry, run structure wizard, frame models, bay frame, just double click on it, apply and transfer it to the stat pro. It's a building for which we are designing shear wall. Select all the floors and click on fill floor grid with plate. Okay. Then go to general property, provide all the properties. Go to define. For column I am providing a 0.4 by 0.4 meter. For beam 0.3 by 0.223. For plate just go to the thickness and provide 0.12. For the shear wall I am creating a surface at this corner, only 3 or 4 shear walls, and in this corner only 4 shear walls, or create up to bottom total 5 shear walls. Just you have to create shear wall for all the faces. For the time being, for example, I am creating only 10 shear walls because it will take more time to analyze if I create more shear walls. Just go to thickness, surface thickness and provide as 0.2 meter, add and close. Go to the support, create, fix the support, and we need any one of the horizontal force. I am providing seismic, special RC moment resisting, all the important building, medium soil, RC frame, damping ratio I am providing 0, depth of foundation 3 meters, X and Z, generate, add, add the sulfate, close, go to the load case detail, create 4 different cases, S minus X, S plus Z, S minus Z, then take a dead load, live load, add all the loads one by one, go to seismic load, X direction, 1 factor, add this, close, select the next one, seismic load, X direction of -1, close, go to the next, add, seismic load Z direction, 1 factor, seismic load in Z direction and provide -1, add and close, dead load, add self weight, then go to member load and I'm just providing -12 kilonewton, -6 kilonewton and -2 kilonewton. Select the self weight, assign to view, assign and yes. Select this particular load, select all the floors, view selected object only, go to the top view and assign it to all outer beams. Assign to selected beams, assign and yes. Second load is for all the inner beams, assign to selected beams, assign and yes. Go to the whole structure, take front view and select top floor, View selected object only. Go to the top view and assign it to all the outer beams. Assign to selected beams, assign and yes. Then go to the live load, add floor load, and pressure I'm providing -2, and the Y range is up to how much height. Take a node cursor and double click. 15 meter. Just provide 15, add and close. Go to analyze print, add, close, analyze and run analysis. There is one error. What is the error? All the supports are provided. I just delete this support. Go to create, fixed, add, select this one and assign it to all the support and assign the surface thickness as assigned to view. All surface thickness is assigned. Assign all the plate thickness, assigned to view. Assign all the beam member properties. Go to select, beam parallel to X and Z for beam. Select the first one. Select beam parallel to Y direction for all the columns. Now analyze it. Okay, done. Then go to design and shear wall. First we have to create a panels. Select the first shear wall. Create panel and just you have to click on the all four corners. Panel type will be wall. Okay. Yes. Right. Just close the grid. Select the second surface and then go to create panel and click on all the four nodes. Panel type will be wall. Okay. Close it. Go to the next and repeat the same process. Panel type will be wall. Okay. Close it. Go to the next surface 4. Create panel. Wall. Okay. Close. The surface number 5. Create panel. Panel type will be wall and close it. Surface number 7. Create panel. Wall and OK. Then surface number 9. Create panel. Select all the four nodes. Again select it. Wall. OK. Surface number 10. Create panel. Select all the four nodes. Panel type will be wall and close it. All done. Then select a current code as IS456 and go to define parameter. If you want to provide a cover, then you can provide, or software will provide you a default cover in result. Okay, so no need to provide it. If you want other than the default cover, then you can provide it. Go to the edge maximum, the maximum size of reinforcement which you want to use at the edge of the particular shear wall. I'm providing 20 mm dia. Edge minimum I am providing 8 mm dia. FC is the grade of concrete. I'm providing M30 grade of concrete. For the shear wall design, FY main is a grade of steel. I am providing FE 500. Horizontal maximum I am providing a 20 mm dia, and horizontal minimum I am providing 8 mm dia. Track, I want a summary only. If you want detail, then click on the detail output. Two layered, the number of layer of reinforcement which you want to provide on that particular shear wall. I just want to provide double layered. Vertical maximum I want to provide a 20 mm dia, and vertical minimum I just want to provide 8 mm dia. Close. Go to the commands, add and close. Now click on that particular arrow, go downward side, start concrete design. Assign all the parameters one by one as assigned to view. It will assign in all the surfaces. Assign to view. FC assign to view. Go downward. FY main assign to view. Then horizontal maximum, horizontal minimum assign to view. Track assign to view. Two layer reinforcement assigned to view. Vertical maximum, vertical minimum, then design of shear wall. It's a command. It will also assign to view. Now go to analyze and run analysis. Save. No loading defined for UBC, runtime terminated. Just go to the load and definition. Just delete this self weight and again add it as self weight, one factor, add and close. And you have to create a load combinations. Go to auto load combination, Indian code, generate, add and close. Analyze it. Performing shear wall design. It will also take a time for the design. Just wait for some time. When it will complete, then we will go further. Okay, now go to output file and done. Look at this. Go to the results. Shear wall design. Look at this, the table. Shear wall number 1. Width is 3 meter. Height is 3 meter. Thickness 200 mm. FC 30 MPa. FI 500 MPa. And cover is 25 mm. The left hand side edge area, you have to provide 6 bars of 8 mm dia at the left hand side of that particular shear wall. Horizontal reinforcement, you have to provide 8 mm dia and 251 mm center to center distance. At the vertical reinforcement, you have to provide 8 mm dia, 450 mm center to center distance. And at the right side edge, you have to provide 6 bars of 8 mm dia, right? So look at this. At the right hand or left hand side edge, you have to provide some reinforcement of 6 bars of 8 mm dia. At the right hand side edge, you have to provide 6 bars of 8 mm dia. And as a horizontal reinforcement, you have to provide 8 mm dia bar, 251 mm center to center distance. And for the vertical reinforcement, if there is some reinforcement in vertical direction, there must be a reinforcement in vertical direction. Okay, so you have to provide a reinforcement of 8 mm dia and 450 mm center to center distance. Like that, you have to calculate or watch for all the shear walls. It may be same, it may be different according to situation. Okay, so like that we can design a shear wall for any building. Thanks for watching this. In next lecture we will design a shear wall at the core of the building.